Hello everyone, I'm going to continue my CyberArk lab. In today's lab, I'm going to talk about SMTP integration. I have Vault 192.168.2.21, PBWA server, PSM server, Radius server, domain controller, all being installed. On the domain controller, I have email server, syslog server, and DB server enabled. You also can look at my blog post on blog.51sec.org to find out details about how to do it, setup. Let's start it. So first thing, let's go log into CyberArk. I'm gonna use in built-in account administrator, CyberArk 1. So we can use our setup wizard from administrators tab. I already did the setup already, so the email notification is not available anymore. In this case, we have to reset it. It's very simple, easy. Go to the notification settings. Just go to email notification engine, send the message, and find out the servers, and change the values from 192.168.20.2.11, change it to 1 to 1 to 1 to 1 to do reset. So once you save that setting, email notification wizard will come back again. Setup wizard, email notification, next. And you are gonna type your email service IP, send the email, doesn't matter. I'm gonna use an administrator at 51sec.test.com, CyberArk PAS. That's it. Simple and easy. And here you say you're gonna send a test email to all Vault admins groups. Check your mailbox to see that email sent. So we're gonna go back to our domain controller email server. I have an email web client available. So I'm gonna log into administrator. One, I should be able to get the email. ENE widget, it shows notification widget has been tested well. Okay, we got it. If you didn't get this email for some reason and you can confirming, you can do some testing here. There's maybe firewall issue. Telnet 192.168.2.11.25. And then in this way, you should be able to see if your Vault can send out the email or not. There's a couple of things you need to be aware. First thing is your ENE service has to be enabled. Sometimes this service may not be running because it's by default it's a manual. If it's not running, you need to run it, start the service. The second thing, lots of people gonna be confusing because when they logged in, they found one thing and log in as a master account. There's one thing they usually they missed for the setup is in administrative tools, users and groups. The built-in administrator doesn't have business email, which you cannot send out the email out. So let me show you that is administrator account, update, business. So right now I already set up business email. So I can receive the email. But I can give you another example. Vault admin doesn't have email set up. So that means it will not receive any emails from there, business email. So when you go back here, If we log out from our email client, you will find out will not receive this kind of test email by default. They should get it. The reason why is because there's no business email associated with that. So this is our testing for SMTP integration. If you want to test it more, you can do one thing is you can enable your master policy dual control settings. I enabled the dual control settings before, so in this way, using CyberArk 1 to test that. So before, I already sent out a couple of emails here to telling you to request access. I should be able to reject this access and then resend it again using other account. I'm gonna using vault.min one. You will see incoming requests. So I have a incoming request. I can reject. I can reject. I can reject. So once I reject the request, I believe I can request it again. Yeah. So previously, the first request has been approved. The last 3 requests has been rejected. So we're gonna request again. Just telling them this is test, and we're gonna go to the remote machine. And I'm gonna send a request. So the request gonna be sent out to the administrators group. Of course, because vault.min 1 doesn't have business email associated with it, so we're gonna go to administrator, which we can see the last 3 rejection email we received from here. And we also got another request coming, pending password request. There's a link here. We can bring up this link. You can paste to here. Paste doesn't work, and doesn't matter. We can sign out. We're gonna log into administrator account. Incoming request. Then now we can confirm it. Once we confirmed, we can log back with user test 1. Then test 1 can have access to this account. We can use connect. So the RDP file has been downloaded. That's pretty much everything to integrate SMTP with CyberArk. Thank you for watching.